Welcome to the UOD analysis for 22nd of September, guys. Bank Nifty and Nifty. Stock market is nothing but human emotions combined together. And what does human emotions do? They keep on repeating itself. Look at the market today, guys. If you're following my channel, I have already told you all the scenarios, and this is a combination of all the scenarios which we have discussed. Let's look at the Nifty first. Market actually opened with a flat note and it took support somewhere here, and then for the whole day it was going sideways taking support. Let me draw one line here. Look at this support, look at this resistance. It was not able to break this resistance, and for people who are actually following my videos and they know how we read charts, it is quite simple that today was not a day for buyers, and especially for option buyers. It was not a day. Let me show you Bank Nifty now. Why this sideways market has come? Because of this. Bank Nifty actually opened with a flat note, started going down. Just look at this, guys. Let me draw one line here. This is previous day's CPR and this is today's CPR. So market will definitely trade between this area, and this is what happened. As soon as the market opened, there was this CPR which was made. Straight away, for people who are following my channel would have known that today is not the day to do trading. It is actually quite evident that market will be sideways. If you are alone or you are just watching Nifty, if you're taking trades in Nifty, you have to look at Bank Nifty also. I really don't know what kind of trades you took today, but if I'm sure for people who have taken buying today must have gone in losses. You don't have to trade every day. If you trade every day, that is actually addiction. This is actually a very good day for shorting in Bank Nifty. If you are doing option selling in Bank Nifty, you can do this. We will talk about this in our future videos, but this is what it is today, guys. It purely very simple market, very simple market. I have told you will not trade if you are if you're buying. You will not trade when market enters the CPR zone. The whole day market was in CPR zone. I ask you one question. Just imagine market is in, why I say do not trade when market is in CPR zone. Why I say this? Imagine this is a CPR market is trading in. I have told you Bank Nifty and Nifty, they both work in correlation. So imagine this is Nifty and now you have Bank Nifty also. So one CPR for Nifty and one CPR for Bank Nifty. Then you have pivots for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. Can you imagine how many support and resistance will be there in the market, closely intacted together? Will the price market will get any space to move up or down? No. It will go up, it will definitely hit some resistance. It will go down, it will definitely hit some support. So where the market is going? And this is quite evident. One can only make money when it's following the market direction, either going up or down. So when you have CPR on a particular day coming in your market range, the price range, avoid that day. Don't trade in that on that day. And this will happen if you trade on that day. All the false breakout will happen. everything will be false breakout. Guys, I told you in my yesterday's video, knowledge is good, but only when you have right knowledge. If you have wrong knowledge, what you will do? Nothing. If you're new to the channel, guys, welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. I get motivation after market gets closed to do videos for you. That's it for today, guys. It was a very simple market. Please watch my videos if you have not. There's a lot of learning attached. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.